If you had to use other AI platforms, you'd end up using Suno to create the music, probably ChatGPT for the text. You'd probably use some other place to add your voice to the music itself, right? And then
now I'm starting to understand.
ChatGPT for a photo.
Exactly,
too,
right?
Yeah.
So by the time you're done, right? Okay.
It blows my mind that somebody could actually speak to their phone and then end up with that kind of quality. That doesn't even make sense. It's hard to comprehend.